Good morning, class 5. Today we read difficult word of chapter King of All Animals. Repeat with me. First word is jungle. Second word is alarm. Third word is swung. Number 4 is scream. Number 5 is turtles. Number 6 is crush. Number 7 is undergrowth. Number 8 is distance. Number 9 is crouch. Number 10 is leopard. Number 11 is monkey. Number 12 is bound. Number 13 is satisfied. Number 14 is blank. Number 15 is goals. Now practice this difficult word on page number 19 and also learn these difficult words. Thank you. Good morning, class 5. Today we read chapter King of All Animals, a Chinese folktale. Now we start reading. When tiger would openly through the jungle, he was fair. The deer fled in alarm. The monkeys swung, screaming to the highest branches. The frogs dived into the deepest pool, and the turtles closed their shells and hoped to be mistaken for mere rocks. Even the wild oxen and wild boars crashing their way through the undergrowth kept a respectful distance. Truly, thought Tiger as he uttered a roar that shook the jungle, I am king. Now what happened in this paragraph? Why all animals scared and hide? Because Tiger is the king of forest. When Tiger stopped and hunted, none could see him. He crouched unmoving in the dappled shadows. The light that filtered through the leaves and branches made patterns on the jungle floor that matched his coat. The deer grazed quietly, the monkeys played in the lowest branches, the frog basked on the lily pads, and the turtle slumbered by. Even the wild oxen and wild boars crashed through the undergrowth just inches from Tiger's nose. Now, which animals in this picture? You can see wild boars, deer, monkeys, turtles. All animals you can see in this picture. Now what happened in this paragraph? Tiger have advantage. Tiger have strips on his body, so tiger can hide easily. Now turn the page. With one swift bound, Tiger could have the dinner of his choice. There were times, however, when Tiger got bored with deer and monkey and frog and turtle and ox and boar. All animals you can see in this picture. Picture is on page number 17. During those times, Tiger roared his dissatisfaction into night and went looking for other prey. One day, Tiger hid in all tall grass and the edge of the jungle. Even there, the grass shadow blended with his strips, and none could see him. Mice and voles, scared by a snake, slid into its hole. Tiger kept waiting. It was evening when a strange creature with a pointed nose and a bushy tail appeared, creeping stealthily through the grass. Tiger watched the stranger. He had heard of such a creature, but he had never seen it before. Stories told of how difficult this creature was to catch, but Tiger welcomed the challenge. Now you know which creature is this? This creature name is fox. You can see the picture of this creature on page number 16. After watching this creature, Tiger jumped on this creature. What happened when Tiger saw this creature? Tiger jumped on this creature. Now turn the page, page number 18. He watched as the bushy-tailed stranger stalked a mouse. He waited with his powerful muscle tensed. Then just as the stranger pounced on his unhappy prey, Tiger leaped out. What is the meaning of pounce? Pounce means jump on. The mouse darted away, but Tiger kept a firm grip on the stranger, who snarled in fury. How dare you? Cried the stranger with great indignation. How dare you bare your fangs and claws to me, fox, king of all animals? King indeed, said Tiger in surprise. What gives you the right to make that claim? Listen and know, said Fox. When I prowl the jungle, the deer flee in alarm, the monkeys swing to the highest branches. The frogs dive into the deepest pool, and the turtles close their shells and hope to be mistaken for mere rocks. Even the wild oxen and wild boars crashing through the undergrowth keep a respectful distance. Now what Fox claimed? Fox claimed that he was the king of all animals and all animals scared from him. Listen and know, said Fox, when I paw the jungle, Tiger roared with fearsome laughter. If you can show me that this is so, he said, I will let you go free. But if you cannot, I will eat you. Very well, said Fox, smiling sleepily. Follow me. We will walk together in the jungle. So Fox and Tiger strolled openly through the jungle paths. Fox went first and Tiger followed close behind. And indeed the deer fled, as did the monkey and frogs. The turtles lay still in fear, and the oxen and boars kept their distance. Tiger looked around in wonder at the frightened animals. Could it be possible that this small dog-like creature in front of him was truly king of all animals? Something smelled of trickery, but Tiger had made a promise, and he always kept his promises. Go, strange one, he said to Fox. I do not know whether or not you are king of all animals, but you have shown that fear can walk the jungle with you. Go. And lifting his bushy tail in triumph, Fox disappeared into the undergrowth, leaving fear behind. Now what is you understand from this story? Fox saves his own life by convincing Tiger that he walks the jungle of all animals. Now page number 19 and page number 20 is your homework. Thank you.